Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on PC and laptop 2025. So for that, first of all, you need to go to Epic Games, and here you can see the web link of Epic Games. After clicking on here, you have to just simply log into Epic Games. So let's wait and click on sign in, and we'll just simply sign in with our Google account on the Epic Games and sign in with Google. Okay, my password is already saved, I think. So after signing in, we'll be on the store.epicgames.com, and you have to search for the game Fortnite here. And here you can see the Fortnite base game. Just have to click on that, and after that you can see the Fortnite game here, and you just have to add it to cart or click on get. And after clicking on get, you have to download the installer file or the Fortnite game. And when the installer downloaded successfully, you just have to click and follow the instructions and install it on your laptop or PC. That's how you can download Fortnite and install it. And let me give you some system requirements for Fortnite on PC or laptop. So you need minimum NVIDIA GTX 960, AMD R9 280 or equivalent DX11 GPU. You need a video memory 2 GB VRAM. You need processor minimum Core i5 7300U 3.5 GHz or AMD Ryzen 3 3300U or equivalent. And you must need 18 GB RAM or higher. You must need hard drive, NVMe solid state drive, and the OS should be Windows 10 or 11 on 64-bit. And the minimum system requirement is Intel HD 4000 on PC, AMD Radeon Vega 8, and processor Core i3 3225 3.3 GHz, and the memory should be 8 GB RAM, and the operating system should be Windows 10 64-bit version 1703. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.